In the heating and cooling system, cooling-based offenses are considered especially heinous. In Katy, Texas, the dedicated HVAC contractor who investigates these improperly cooled structures is the creator of an elite AC service squad known as the Sweaty Victims Unit. These are his stories.
In this episode, I discuss how hard it is to stop a Goodman. Please note, this unit was 24 years old at the time of when I changed it out. It would have been last year in June. Keep watching.
The home of better. Welcome home.
So this particular job is to kind of give you some context for what I was doing here. One thing to realize is that prior to 2022, I had no service history for this address. So initially I go out there in May, and initially the goal during that visit was just to repair the unit as best as possible and try to make it last. And so this video footage, prior to me talking, I just wanted to show you, what I'm dealing with. I can't always do this for every job that, is attempted this way. This is just to show you the data tag off that particular unit, showing that unit, it was 24 years old as of the time of this service. Customer later contacted me because originally when I went out there, I told him, I says, yeah, you're looking at replacing everything because the system was in just such condition that I felt that was the best way forward. He later contacted me again, and because I had service history now, knowing what I'm dealing with, I was able to offer him another solution with conditions. So just realize what I did here isn't always possible. So this little clip here isn't to show you how to do anything. This is just to give you an idea of operating pressures. Now, because the condenser coil is in the condition it's in, you can see the elevated head pressure. That's normal for what's going on here. This is me showing that the unit has been removed. Now realize there's more to conversion than just removing this condenser and putting another condenser on there, because this new unit now contains R410A refrigerant. So there's additional things that I do not show to get this unit to work properly. Now realize this homeowner does not plan on keeping this house, and he's under extreme budget constraints. And this was, in my opinion, his best option forward to get this thing running to the best of its ability with minimal expense in what I did this job. This is just a minor, you can kind of get an idea of what I'm dealing with inside. With this picture, this was a ductwork that was just very brittle, breaking and falling apart. So I made this minor repair just to get him to where it's working. You know, he really needed all new inside equipment, ductwork, new insulation, decking, and so on. But his budget just did not have that. And so this was to get him down the road with the condition that if it breaks again, I can come back out there and I can fix it again without having to go back through and replacing the outdoor unit and so on and so forth. So this was my way of fixing it and putting him in a better position moving forward. So after seeing this, you may wonder what causes this. Essentially, it could be due to poor maintenance. Maybe somebody sprayed it with some highly corrosive cleaner and failed to get it all off. Or it could be due to dog urination. It could be that the unit is situated near a soft water thing or pool chemicals, things of that nature. Or it could even be that the house is situated very close to a coastal area where there's salt spray in the air. That can cause that. But based on how this is and where it is, it's likely due to dog urination on the unit and not being properly cleaned. So this is the reviews that I use because a lot of my customers do not want to be tracked. And the only way to prove that a review is real is that the customer has to be tracked. Otherwise, it could just be made up or some disgruntled person or whatever the reason is. And so the customer updated me with this little text message, and so I provide it to you. But I'm keeping the identity of this person a secret. Now, could I have an update sometime this year? Sure. The unit, the interior part of the equipment is old enough to cause additional potential problems. But until that time frame comes, this is viewed as a fix. So maybe I have an update to this coming this year. Maybe not. We'll see how it goes. Thanks for watching.
You live in the Katy, Texas area, you can give me a call at 832-475-6895. Or for more information, you can always visit me on my main website at www.austinairco.com. For Austin Air Company, my name's Ray Austin, and I hope your day is comfortable. Thank you. I don't know who you are, but I know that you probably want Freon. I can tell you that I have Freon, but it's not free. I cannot read minds or fix air conditioners over the phone. But what I can do is apply my knowledge and a unique set of skills that I have acquired over a very long HVAC career. skills that can put an end to your discomfort. If you tell me where you are, I will find you. I will not stop until I find you. I will sell you Freon, and I may sell you a new air conditioner.